Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update AWS Lambda ETL functions for scalable processing. Quick tutorial. To start, log in to your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Lambda service from the Services menu. Locate the Lambda function you wish to update for ETL processing. Click on the function name to open its configuration page. Review the current code and note any dependencies or libraries used. Update the code in the inline editor or upload a new zip file with the improved logic. Incorporate error handling to enhance reliability during data processing. Ensure that the function timeout is set appropriately to handle larger datasets. Adjust the memory allocation to optimize performance for your ETL tasks. Next, navigate to the Environment Variables section. Add or update any environment variables necessary for your ETL process. Check the execution role associated with your Lambda function. Make sure the role has the necessary permissions for data sources and destinations. Consider implementing AWS step functions if your ETL tasks require multiple steps. To enable scalability, configure your Lambda function's concurrency settings. Set the reserved concurrency limits based on your expected load. If using data from S3, optimize your data retrieval by utilizing batch operations. Test the Lambda function using sample data to ensure it behaves as expected. Monitor the function logs in CloudWatch to identify any issues. Once verified, deploy the updated function for production use. Continue monitoring the performance metrics in CloudWatch over time. Make additional adjustments as necessary to maintain scalability and efficiency. Regularly review the function to ensure it meets evolving requirements. Document any changes made for future reference and team collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.